Hi everyone, myself Saubhagya belongs to Karnataka. I have done my BE in Civil Engineering, Karnataka. I'm from non-IT background. I'm looking into IT domain jobs. One of my friends suggested to me join Aviation TechnoServe Private Limited. I joined Aviation online job internship program for 45 days. I learned practically basics to advanced networking, CCNA, virtualizations, Windows administrations, ITIL, Office 365, Linux, and cyber security. Now I am placed in our Artec Infosystem Private Limited as a service desk engineer role with a good package. I am really happy with the Aviation TechnoServe Private Limited teaching faculty, placements team, each and everyone from Aviation TechnoServe Private Limited. Thank you so much, Aviation.